Welcome to my channel Tech Tips All. In this video, we will discuss about accessibility issues. When we check website performance related to accessibility by using web tool and Lighthouse, then multiple issues may become on your website. As you see on my screen, poor contrast text issues, leaving empty links and button issues, missing document language issues, and missing alternative text accessibility issues, and missing form level accessibility issues, and empty form level accessibility issues. So let you see practically how can resolve that issues. Okay, so we have opened a web page. We will check performance by web tool and Lighthouse. So first of all, I will check Lighthouse. What is the score of this page? So I will, as you see, lots of categories: performance, accessibility, best practices for SEO, and for progressive web app. So I will check only accessibility. So I will check accessibility and device for mobile and desktops. So I will check desktop and mode. There are multiple mode: navigation, time span, and snapshot. So I will check navigation. Okay, and then I will click analyze page load. So will be page refresh by Lighthouse tool. If you have no idea about Lighthouse, so I will provide the link in this video description. So as you see, read sorry. So as you see here, when I will check Lighthouse, so as you see a score, my accessibility score is 56. So how can improve this score? Okay, so as you see right now 56 score my accessibility. So and then after, first of all, I will check web evaluation tool. So as you see, multiple issues are came here: missing alternative text, missing form level, empty buttons, and empty links. So how can this issue resolve? So if you have no idea about where is missing alternative text, so you can click code and then click here. Okay, so as you say, IMGSRC. Okay, so I will open the code and I will provide alt text. Alt, as you see here, alt tag not present here, so I will provide alt equal to something and then check. So right now 4 errors, and then again check by web tool, web evaluation tool. So as you see here, 3 errors. Okay, now we can check very low contrast text here. Okay, I will click here and code here. As you see, button type equal to button. So as you see, but my button is very lightweight background color, so I will provide dark color. So as you see, I will click and I will provide the background color other. Now refresh this page and then check by web evaluation tool. So as you see here, contrast text issues has resolved. Okay, and then I will check missing form level. So I will click here and as you see here, input type equal to text, id equal to input field, value equal to abc. But this this input field not contain label. So I will go to the this. Okay, so as you see, we have written only input type equal to text, value equal to abc, and this. Okay, so I will write this type of code and then check by web tool. So as you see, web evaluation tool, as you see as you see missing form level issue has resolved. Okay, and then I will check empathy link and empathy button. What is the empathy link and how can resolve that? Okay, so I will click here. As you see, button type equal to submit, I class equal to material icons, but not button name is present here. Okay, so I will click empathy button link.js file and I will provide the name here. Okay, as you see now, again check web evaluation tool, and as you see, zero errors. And then I will check by Lighthouse what is the score of accessibility. So again I will check, click, analyze page load. Lighthouse is loading on this page. Boom guys, so as you see here, 100% my accessibility. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment for this video.